Today we are going to review an amazing product of 70mi. 70mi is an industry-leading auto intelligence company with specialization in dashboard cameras and their accessories, which has rapidly expanded in many countries. In this video we are going to take a look on their latest product Dashcam Omni that will amaze you. But before we move ahead, if you aren't still subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more details. 70mi Omni Dash Cam comes in a solid box. Its key features are 360-degree rotating, motion tracking, superb night vision, parking mode, and built-in voice assistant. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. You will find a beautiful dash cam, wiring crowbar, power cord, car charger, user manual, electrostatic sticker, adhesive sticker, hardwire kit. Now let's talk about the physical look of 70mi Omni Dash Cam. On the front side there is screen which is always visible to you. With 340-degree swivel motor and 140 FOV, Omni realizes 360-degree view. There are 3 buttons on the left side and USB Type-C port on the right side. On the top you will find a sticker for the mounting. At the lower portion you will find camera. There is a speaker located at the bottom. Now let's set up 70mi Omni Dash Cam. Put electrostatic sticker to appropriate area of windshield. Make the gap on the electrostatic sticker face upwards. Peel off the protective film from the adhesive sticker and paste the dash cam on the electrostatic sticker in the dotted area. Connect the power cord to the car charger and then plug the charger into the cigarette lighter socket. Align the microphone with the locating point on the right of the mount. After the hardware installation, you then need to download free 70mi app. This app is available both on Android and iOS platform. After install this app, you need to create an account and now attach this camera with app. Simply tap on plus icon to add camera. Now power on your camera and follow on-screen instruction. After successfully add device into your app, you can adjust setting from its buttons. You can turn on and off Wi-Fi. You can record voice recording from built-in microphone. You can mute speaker from here. You can on and off WMK. And finally, you can go into settings to format your memory or reset device settings. So 70mi Omni Dash Cam is now set up and ready to use. Now let's take a ride to demonstrate it. This is easy to use app. You can take a photo by tapping on Take Photo. You can see saved photos and videos from albums. You can see 2 tabs here. From Timeline, you can see your video's timeline. You can also add RS visual effects in your videos. You can merge live footage with high-tech sense effects in Omni app and can then post the 1-minute-long customized video on social media. To share these videos with your friends, simply download it by tapping on Download Videos button. From Categories tab, you can see your recorded video clips, events, etc. You can control camera direction here. From right button camera will turn right. And from left button, camera will turn left. The OmniCam comes with eMMC storage instead of a memory card for better stability when a collision occurs. By connecting Omni's Wi-Fi, you can easily check images and footage in the Omni app. Omni is equipped with powerful parking surveillance. By utilizing its upgraded AI motion detection algorithm, the dash cam is able to identify humans around your car, detect their motion, and precisely target their location. If people who approach remain suspicious and close to your car, Omni spontaneously follows and records their movements with 360 degrees surveillance. Omni's exclusive collision detection algorithm acts as a valuable witness to any accident while capturing essential evidence to help determine fault. When a collision happens, Omni will automatically pinpoint the direction of the motion, then turn toward it and record footage for up to 30 seconds after a collision occurs. Omni adds intelligent features that protect drivers and passengers while on the road. Upgraded ADAS identifies potentially dangerous situations such as vehicles, pedestrians, and bicycles so they can be safely avoided. Omni is equipped with voice control, allowing safe operation of the camera while driving. With a few simple commands, it will respond quickly with precise execution. It's the first time that 70mi have brought in an electric motor to a dash camera. So this is today's video, hope you like it. Product purchase link is mentioned in description, go visit. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.